answer that she gave was that no one could relieve her. They pressed my love, cried she, to cross the wide ocean, and my heart is like the sea, always in motion. Mark well, my love, cried he, mark well then my story. 'Twas your true lover and I fought for old England's glory, but by a fatal shot we both were parted. Deep the wound he got, though he died valiant-hearted. And he told me before he died that his poor heart was broken. Take this gold ring, said he, take it as a token. Take it to my love, there is no one fairer. Tell her to be kind and to love the bearer. She wrung her hands and cried, and she flew up in anger. Begone, young man, said she, for I wed no stranger. He flew into her arms, he could lie no longer. I am your true love, cried he, I'll deceive no further. God bless the wind, cried she, that carried you over. God bless the wind, cried she, that brought you to me. Then they sat down and sang, but my love sang the clearest, like a nightingale in spring, saying, you're welcome home, my dearest. Like a nightingale in spring, saying, you're welcome home, my dearest.
Amazing.